Hey guys, thanks for joining us at Adreno.com. What we have for you today is the brand new Poco M2 Pro. It's a new value for money smartphone from Poco at around Rs 15,000 in India. The Poco M2 Pro will remind you of the new Redmi Note 9 Pro as the spec sheets are identical and even the design is quite similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro global variant. But hey, very few would buy the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Poco M2 Pro together, right? The Poco M2 Pro is an all-rounder targeted at people with a strict budget of around Rs 15,000. So if you're someone who wants to buy a good reliable phone without getting into any confusing smartphone debates, then the Poco M2 Pro is positioned as a no-frills choice. The Poco M2 Pro comes with a 6.67-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both front and back. It's a dual SIM phone with a dedicated microSD card slot that supports up to 512GB storage. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port as well. The Poco M2 Pro runs Snapdragon 720G processor with Adreno 618 GPU. It comes with 3 storage and RAM options. The phone is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. Poco is offering a 33W fast charger inside the box along with a clear soft case for protection. The Poco M2 Pro comes with a 48 megapixel quad camera setup at the back. The primary sensor features 48MP resolution and has 3 secondary sensors of 5 megapixel macro, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth. On the front, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera with night mode support. The device supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS and also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack which can be used to plug external mics as well. The Poco M2 Pro supports face unlock and comes with a physical fingerprint sensor on the side which is indicated with the power wake button. Poco M2 Pro offers good display, battery life, dual SIM 4G support, decent cameras and a good design. Other options in the same price range includes the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Realme 6 Pro, Samsung Galaxy M21